Hi friends, now we are learning about the letter K and the sound is made K, just like the word kangaroo. Let's say it together. K is for kangaroo, K is for key, K is for king, and K is for kite. Let's try say with sound. K, k, kangaroo, K, k, key, K, k, king, K, k, kite. Great job! So, let's dance together and have fun.
Key, k, k, key. Key, k, k, key. Kite, k, k, kite. Kite, k, k, kite. King, k, k, king. King, k, k, king. Kangaroo, k, k, kangaroo. Kangaroo, k, k, kangaroo. Key, kite, king, kangaroo. Key, kite, king, kangaroo. Key, kite, king, kangaroo. Key, kite, king, kangaroo. This is a key. This is a kite. This is a key. This is a kite. This is a king. This is a kangaroo. This is a king. This is a kangaroo.
Thank you so much for your watching. Keep learning and stay smart. Just don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe TonLife. Goodbye from TonLife. See you again soon.